Listen up, Learning Legends. You don't have to worry about dying in your very first Minecraft game if you set the game mode to creative. Start by pressing the W key to move forward. If you get to a step, press spacebar to jump. Move the mouse to control where your character is looking. Since you're in creative mode, you won't get hurt if you fall a long distance, and you can also press space twice to enter flying mode. Holding down the spacebar and W while moving the mouse around is useful for surveying the area to find interesting places to explore. If you are stuck in the air and want to get down, double-click space again, or hold Shift to go down slowly. If you find yourself trapped underground and want to get back to the surface, use the mouse to look up and click the left mouse button to destroy the blocks above you. Double-click and hold down space as you do this to fly up as you break through the ground. Now that you can move around, watch the next video to build your first base. Remember to like, subscribe, and celebrate learning.